All right, guys, we've got a pet crate for you. And I think I've got a boy dog. I don't think this is for him, but we're going to try it out anyways. This is definitely going to be more for the girly types because it's pink. But it's super easy it basically comes assembled. All you have to do, come a little closer here. All you have to do is you just have these corner units here. You just push them down and they go in place. And now there's two ways to get it open. You can either open the crate this way, but I'm going to do it this way because my dog's a little on the bigger side. So the other option you have is you can put this in the base so that they're walking on this. I don't like to do that to him, but you have that as an option in there. So what we're going to do now is put my little guy in here so you can see. He's about 20 pounds. And you know what? Let's just put a little blanket down for him for a second. I'm going to grab him. Come here, bub. Come here, Bubba. All right. You want a treat? You want a treat? You want a treat? What's this? So he's 20 pounds. He's a Cairn Terrier. And you can see that's how a Cairn Terrier fits in here. Good boy, bud. And this is one of the ways you get them used to being in a crate. You don't put them in there like as a punishment. You kind of put them in there and give them some treats so they feel like, oh, this is kind of a fun place to be right now. And it's super easy to push that down and then open it up. And we can take him out and say like, whoa, look at the little baby here. Look at that little baby. He wants you to buy that crate.